I look back to the relationship we've had with child and adolescent behavioral services or behavioral health, and it's probably been a couple decades, and it's been a lot of fun to watch both that organization and or our organization grow simultaneously in this community. And you know, a lot of what we have as our core values match what that organization is doing as well, and seeing both organizations grow and the community grow because of it has been great. To be honored with this award is absolutely amazing, and it's great recognition for our team. You know, as 415 Group, we try and get involved in the community. We want to live here. We know that growing the community helps grow our firm and grow everybody around us. I know last year we had probably 15, 20 people donate their time to different functions that you guys had. And for them to be able to see the reward and get a little bit of feedback that what they did matters has been fantastic for the entire 415 Group. Every not-for-profit in Stark County needs is more accountants, and we get asked all the time for this, and part of our organization requires that we do give back to the community. And Dominic's been on the board. Dominic Reolfi's been on this board now for 6 years, and I think he represents exactly what 415 Group tries to do. It's not just sit an accountant on the board to nod their head and say yes and explain the financials, but it's to actually help the board. A lot of these boards don't have any other accountants on it, and they don't understand the finances, and Dominic's done a great job both explaining the finances and helping to analyze them. You know, a lot of the not-for-profits in this community are struggling financially, and they need some fiscal advice, and they need to make some hard decisions, and our people aren't put on boards just to nod their head and say yes. It's to give that feedback, and I think he's done a great job with that. What Child and Adolescent does to this community is amazing. I don't think a lot of people from my generation understand that mental health is just as important as physical health. And when you help the child, it helps the entire family and it helps the entire community. And giving back is amazing. I mean, when I grew up, there wasn't social media. There wasn't all the peer pressure and all the mental health stress that there is on children as there is today. And it's more needed than ever. And you know, with the physical, a lot of times you can see if there's somebody struggling. You can see them limping. You can see them being overweight. You can see them being a lot of different things. You can't always see that with mental health. And it's important to know that there's organizations out here like CNA that can really help the community. I certainly hope that we would continue to support organizations like yours on into the future forever. I mean, it's incredibly important in this community. The healthier we have families and organizations here, the more this community is going to grow, and I think we both want to see that. So I would be very disappointed if our staff didn't continue to help organizations like yours, and the satisfaction they get out of helping both in their labor hours and in the dollars we're able to raise for you guys has been fantastic. The one thing you need to know is you're not alone. I mean, it's easy to say, but you're really not alone. I mean, this has become a nationwide crisis of mental health, and if people don't know when they can reach out for help or know that it takes a lot of strength to reach out for help, that's where things start to spiral. So the one thing I want everybody to know is, look, if you see a child struggling, come to CNA, right? If you can get that child to go to their teacher, to go to their parents, and help them ask for help. They're out there for a reason. I don't know that I could describe child and adolescent in one sentence, but the fact that they're there makes this community a better place, and I sleep better at night knowing that they're out there helping the children in our community.